What is overlanding? It's sort of like backpacking, only with a really cool adventure vehicle, where the focus is on exploration as opposed to getting from point A to point B. There's a lot more involved. But let's take a look at the Overland Expo, so you might want to go to one of these Overland events too. Come on, let's go. So I get a lot of questions asking me about what kind of vehicles are overland vehicles. Well, let's take a look at some of the ones that we saw at Overland Expo Mountain West. So some are what we'll call factory made, such as like your Storyteller or even your Tesla camper, which is pretty cool. But then there's also a lot of really cool DIYs. Let's take a look at these. From all the cool vans, to the ambulances, to the fire trucks. Did I tell you about the fire trucks? Take a look at this fire truck. All right, are you ready, dude?
For what?
Tell me something cool about it really quick.
It's big and red.
And don't forget that this is the year I'm calling of the box van. So take a look at this really cool production box van they made. So what makes this special?
So what's unique about this build is that we're built on fiberglass reinforced panels.
Okay.
So it's a super highly insulated, lightweight material. So you can camp in the snow, you can camp in the desert, anywhere you want to go pretty much, and it's nice and cool and temperature controlled. We have a mini split AC unit in the back and 800 watts of solar on top. So the entire cab is run on the electric power, and so we don't need any propane on board, no generators needed. All your appliances, heating, cooling, everything is run off.
How much electric do we have?
So it comes standard with 8 Battle-Born batteries, or you can upgrade to 10, which is around 13 kilowatts of energy there. And then we use the Victron energy inverter.
Which is good. What's the retail on these? MSRP?
So this is $224,500.
224. Okay.
Yeah.
All right, we're walking. We're walking.
I just wanted to show her.
We're gonna. I want to look too. You guys go.
I don't know. Those are good sites.
All right. Oh, so we do the bathroom. Bathroom at the entry. Great use of space.
What is
That's a roof hatch.
Yeah.
So it's a skylight.
Oh, maybe you're feeling it. Where are you feeling the air from?
Probably the window.
Yeah.
Maybe
Well,
the
it's
hatch
open.
back there.
Yeah.
That's cool.
The Overland Expo is huge. It's just a really big space, lots of really cool vendors, lots of cool people. But the giveaways are also pretty cool too. Did I mention that they also do test drives for trucks and motorcycles? the really cool products and innovations that I found at Overland Expo. So we all know that the Air Excel company makes the Max Air fan, which a lot of us have as van lifers. But did you also know they've got a really new innovation this year? They've got this really cool pivoting fan that goes on. Take a look at this. It's really cool.
So what's the deal? Like, talk to me about this. So, explain. So it's just the same Max Air, but you can move around.
Yep, you'll be able to move it around, turn it all the way around to do an intake or an exhaust. It stows away when you're traveling, and it has a lock.
Another product, I like products that do a lot of different things. So if you have a Manteo product, it's like a poncho that does everything. It's like a neck pillow, it's a jacket, it's even a sleeping bag. Pretty cool.
Comes with a detachable foot box.
Okay.
So once you zip it up, it becomes a sleeping bag like this. It's rated to 40 degrees for survival and 50 for comfort.
Okay.
It's machine washable. It's water resistant, wind resistant. It comes. All of this fits into a pouch, and it becomes a travel neck pillow. So you can travel everywhere with it.
And what's the retail of these?
It's $200.
There's a new product on the market called New Mix. Now, this is something a little interesting for my friends out there who love a good cocktail. Take a look at this.
So, you got a vacuum sealed thermos for this portable cocktail maker. This is a Stanley grade. It's going to keep it cold or hot all day. This insert creates two compartments. That's just a filter. That means you can put your liquor on one side, your mixers on the other, keeps them separate and fresh. And because they're separate, now this head unit does all the work of the bartender for you on the go. When you hit the button, pulls through two pumps, shoots through a chamber that mixes and aerates as well as a hand shaker instantly, and you can change the strength of your drink in between sips. So now you just select, that one's empty. Select the strength you want for your drink, and you can either fill cups with it on high speed or on low speed. Turn the power on. Instantly fresh, always mixed right away, and it's waterproof and it floats, so you can take it anywhere. So now everyone gets the drink they want, and you never spill your drink, you don't get gunk in it. That's the New Mix.
This video today is brought to you by one of our really cool friends out at Radio Chatter. If you haven't heard of Radio Chatter, it's a really neat card game. It's a deck of 52 cards, but on the back of them they have questions, fun things you can talk about while you're out and about. So it says here, it's a fun conversation starter pack. Of course it is. Who doesn't love a good starter pack? Check it out, Radio Chatter. You can find them online. So I was there to not only see all the really cool vehicles and learn all about the cool new innovations of products, but more importantly, they have workshops and seminars, lots of hands-on activities that I really like to learn about. And I got to be the host at the Overlanding Women's Panel, which was really interesting. Got to learn all about what women are doing in overlanding, and also got to give one of my talks on how to overland with pets, which I really love. So if you brought a pet to the overlanding show, Guess what? I probably took your picture, or at least your pets. Let's take a look at some of the really cool overlanding dogs that were there. Every event would not be complete without a really cool campfire. So storytellers circled the wagons or circled the storytellers, and we had some amazing food, chatted up some stories, and even had some giveaways. Great job out there, storyteller. So this year I've been to a lot of overlanding events, and I have to tell you, Overland Expo has a lot of vendors, a lot of really cool workshops. So if you're interested in going, take a look. They're on the website. They're going to update all their dates for the next year. I will be at the next Overlanding Expo. I will be doing some really cool talks on things, so I would love to see you there. And if you're interested, hit me up, write me an email, leave me a message, put something in the description of the video, and I will be more than happy to tell you all about overlanding. Until next week, do me a favor, hit that like and subscribe and that bell to get notified. Put out videos every single week. We'd love to have you be a part of our adventure crew.